Dom. Come on. Come on. Bum. That. That fidget spinner looks so real. It doesn't even look like it's actually spinning. Well, actually, it does look like it's spinning. Well, for the camera, it looks like it's spinning, but from if you're not looking on the camera, it actually doesn't look like it's spinning at all. Because to y'all see it through the light, but for me, I'm seeing it through the phone shadow. So what I'm seeing is that it's not even spinning. But from if I look at the camera, it looks like it's spinning. So it's kind of like perspectives. But this is my first fidget spinners. I just got these new ones. And on to the second one. Second fidget spinner. Open. It's hard to open it with one hand. That's the problem. Why is it so hard to open? I opened it with the power of life. I couldn't show you the power of life, so I had to just open it without y'all seeing the power I use of life. So, let's see this thing spin. I don't know why the camera's making it look so much better than it actually is. Like, the camera actually looks so much better than how it looks in real life. And the camera's making it look like it's going so much slower than before. But on to the next one. Also, this one actually cost a lot of money. I don't know why this one was so expensive. It's not even real gold. Wait. Oh snap, it's prime right. On to the next one. Oh yeah. Gosh darn it. Ugh. I got this. I don't have to use the power of life. See, not everything requires the power of life. Some things you just need to believe in yourself. I don't know why, but for some reason it's actually really loud. This one's actually very loud. For how I'm actually hearing it. See, since y'all watching from the camera view, it doesn't look like you can see the shadow of the phone. But it doesn't look like the phone is actually making a shadow on the fidget spinner. But from my perspective, the phone is actually blocking the fidget spinner. Well, on to the next one. By the power of my hands, I will open this. I will open this. No. I got this. No. No, I can't open it. No. No. I would just open it before easily with one hand. I think I put it on too tight. Time for power of life again. Use the power of life. The power of life just went to a portal out of here. But time for the next spin. As you see, this fidget spinner looks more advanced. Like it's really trying. Y'all should leave in the comments where you want me to name these fidget spinners. Just name them by which order they came in. Cause I'm putting them in some random order. It's the ones I grab first to ones I grab last. But on to the next fidget spinner. On to the next fidget spinner.